Hey girlfriends, what is up? Wow, still panas gila. Okay. Hey guys. I'm all over the place today. Sebab dah lama tak record video. But anyway, hi, how are you? I hope you guys are doing great. Another lockdown. Getting ready to go nowhere really. I'm just gonna go watch movie after this with my kids. But I'm gonna record this video real quick. So, hari ni kita nak test new makeup. Tak adalah new sangat. This one is since 2019. So this palette, I don't think I have ever showed you guys. So Jaded by Kathleen Lights. That's my phone. This is how they look like. It's very nice, right? So I think I nak main colour today. How about we're doing like smoky eyes or something? Sebab I dah lama tak buat smoky eyes. I don't know if I still have the skill. If I still got it. Wah, tengok muka I merah. Dah 2 kali dah lockdown. I want to know how you guys feel about this. And then vaccination. I'm lucky enough that I'm staying in KL, that I can register for the AZ vaccine, AstraZeneca vaccine. So my husband is already got vaccinated for the first dose last month. Yeah, it's been how many weeks? I think 2 weeks already. And my stepdad is also already got vaccinated with the first dose last month juga. So end of this month, I dengan my mom akan go for vaccination. I'm very excited because let me tell you, we are already tired with this lockdown, PKP and stuff kan. So I memang tak sabar nak dapat vaksin. And also the case is very scary. I think semalam 7,000 case. It's very scary guys. Another thing, kalau korang perasan, muka I dah makin licin. Previously, if you guys watch my NARS Soft Matte Foundation review, you guys nampak muka I teruk sangat kan. And actually I record that video before puasa tau. And like few days before puasa, I went to my clinic to consult with doctor because I really want to know kenapa muka I jadi breakout macam tu. Sebab that was like the worst breakout yang pernah dapat. I memang tak pernah breakout macam tu. I'm using this foundation from L'Oreal, tapi I rasa foundation ni dah discontinued sebab I dah tak nampak dekat drugstore, which is very sad because I really like this foundation. And then I nak pakai concealer from Maybelline. This is Maybelline concealer. This is the shade medium. Yeah, medium. It's too much. It's okay because this is quite hydrating punya concealer. So I like. I dah lama tak guna concealer ni. But wow. It's so nice. Some people kan dia suka like very bright under eye. Tapi I ada eye bag. So like the bright under eye tu macam tak sesuai lah dengan I. I nampak pelik. I nampak macam lagi bengkak tau I punya under eye. Anyway, I'm using my favourite brow setter brow gel. This one is by Benefit. This foundation oxidize you guys. Like, look at that. Muka I nampak gelap kan? Look at my hand. It's like one shade darker than my face. Okay, we have new bronzer. This is by Palladio. It's very nice and warm. We're using I punya super duper old stipple brush. This is by ELF. Masa I start buat YouTube video, I beli this one all the way from US. I ingat lagi. And umur dia dah 10 tahun. Wow. This month is like my 11th year anniversary on YouTube. Wow, gila guys. 11 tahun. Kalau I ada anak I dah umur 11, darjah 5. See, if you doing thing that you love, you won't stop. Like for some people, imagine if I'm doing this just for money. You guys, I'm telling you, the amount of money that I get from YouTube is not that much. I'm being honest with you. If I'm doing this for money and I get that much of a payment, it's not worth it at all. You can never pay my like 1 month bill. You're a gem. And blend it all over the crease with my LM blending GE1 brush by LM Beauty. If you want to buy it, I will link it down below as always. Okay, just blend it to the crease like very lightly. I will bring it to my lower lashes. Lower lashes pula. Dekat my lower lash line, just sapu-sapu je macam tu. Because I want to make sure it is blended. So this one has lots of kickbacks, and I don't really mind. Soft definer brush. Okay, I'm taking the shade Carnelian, macam bright orange, and we are putting it to so pigmented. Tu awak outer corner macam ni, just blend. And then ambil blending brush tadi, taking the blending brush and then blend away. So pigmented, I love it. Lagi satu kurang, I've been really using eye cream. Tengok I punya under eye, I punya lines is not that visible anymore. Ini brush dia macam nipis untuk kita pack eyeshadow dekat kita punya lid. So sunstone, pretty. Dia lagi cantik kalau ada eyes, bukan face mist kan, you spray baru you apply dekat you punya eyelid, lagi cantik. Punya eye space is very limited. Ni kita ambil soft definer brush yang tadi, kita ambil semula colour carnelian tu. So I nak deepen my outer corner macam ni. So I nak bagi macam dimension. And I'm gonna bring a little bit to my lower lash line. Macam ni. So dia macam ada dimension kan. So whatever it is, kalau korang tambah colour, blend away. Make sure blended lah. Okay, kita tak nak ada line. So kita nak eyeshadow tu nampak smooth and blended. I hope you guys can see on camera. It's so pretty. Like, dia memang nampak pop. Diamond tu memang pop lah, senang cerita. Nampak tak? Nice, I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna do eyeliner off camera and some mascara, and then we're going to finish the rest of our face makeup, okay? Okay, I pakai Maybelline Sky High Mascara yang viral dekat TikTok hari tu, I believe. I dah review dekat I punya Instagram, so make sure to follow my Instagram if you guys want to see it. Blusher, Palladio, matte blusher, Tipsy. So nice. Apply blusher dekat sini, dekat atas. You guys, I'm very excited about Disney Plus kan. Dah masuk Malaysia 1st June hari tu. And Rare Beauty nak masuk Malaysia juga. I love Selena Gomez so much. Like dari dulu, daripada I don't know, maybe because I grew up dia punya generation ke you call it, Selena Gomez lah dulu, Demi Lovato, Jonas Brothers, Miley Cyrus. Tu zaman-zaman I grew up, okay? We are the 90s kids. So I really love Selena Gomez. So I'm so excited bila I dapat tahu yang dia keluarkan makeup product, makeup brand, and also dah nak masuk Malaysia bulan depan, Julai. So I tak sabar nak beli. I think I'm gonna grab everything and review it on my channel. Let me know if you guys are interested, but I will do it anyway. I don't care because I really love Selena Gomez. Okay, for highlighter, I'm gonna use this from Tarte. It's called Stunner. I have a new lipstick from Velvet Vanity. I baru pakai semalam, but I could not find it. Baru je pakai semalam. I hate my life. Kita guna colour pop. I tak pernah guna ni. It's called Ziggy. Shit is very pretty. Very dark. It's beautiful. Wow, it's very pretty. Love this. Okay, we're gonna set our face with Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Sekejap, I nak keringkan. I ada kipas, tapi anak I main, I tak tahu kat mana. Mom life. Okay guys, we are done. This is the finished look. It's very warm and orange. I love it. I love the lip color. I love our eye makeup. Wow, today is a good makeup day. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are safe and please stay at home. Take care of yourself. If you need help, I will link down below for your mental health. Please take care of yourself. We love you. I love you. Drink water, okay? Drink water. Hydrate yourself. So thank you so much you guys for watching. I hope you guys like this video, this chit chat, get ready with me, going nowhere. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video and comment down below if you want. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.